one would definitely see that the level of resilience in this country, in this region, is higher. Countries are still growing at 4.5 on average on the oil importing group, while we're suffering from all these uncertainties. I think the impact of the reimposition of sanctions on the region, on Iran, is going to be, I would say, effective, with slowdown in the economy, and the Iranian economy will witness negative growth. The impact on other countries in the region is going to be limited because of the limit of the trade that exists between Iran and the neighboring country. The impact could be more in terms of how this will affect the oil price and what is the level of risk premium that investors will ask to come to the region. This is the thing that we need to watch going forward.
So for investors, do you think that this region is still a good place to invest, or are there better places to put your money?
No, it is. You are in a region where 60% of the population is below 30. You have a relatively well-educated labor force. You have a region that is at crossroad in terms of trade, in terms of a lot of, I would say, investment flow. This is a region where, in terms of natural resources, is very rich. Therefore, it is a place that could attract investment. And for that, I think it's important to go back to the basics. Macroeconomic stability matters. Reforming the enablers for the private sector to lead growth is also very important going forward. Invest in education and in technology. This is an area where you can increase the competitiveness of this region, and also have the economic policy more inclusive, especially to include more women and youth. We have a region where still the level of unemployment at the youth level is one of the highest, and therefore only by integrating those people in the labor market would create in the next 5 years 20 to 25 million new jobs. And if you reduce the gender gap between men and women from 3 to 1 to only 2 to 1, in the next 10 years you could create an output of $1 trillion in the region, which is huge potential.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now, to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.